Okay guys, so I'm actually here at Jeep in Mainland, and me and my dad brought in our Jeep for a software update on the gearbox, and I really want to show you guys up there, right there is an Alfa Romeo Giulio, the GTA M. There's actually only 500 of the GTA M's, and that is number 304, and it has a 2.9 liter twin turbo V6. It puts out 600 Newton meters and 514 horsepower. It actually only has 30 horsepower more than the normal Giulio, but that is actually the only one that is available right now. Well, the last one that can be sold right now, and I'm just gonna run up there and then show you guys how it looks.
What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we'll be working on the Caddy again, and as you know from the previous video we gave some primer and stuff to the tailgate and the fenders and stuff like that, and we already sanded the body. We still have to sand that, but before we're going to do that we're just going to leave it to dry a bit, and we're going to clean underneath the car to give some stone chip before we paint, because we do want to put the paint over the stone chip. The client asked us to do that.
And inside the wheel arches and stuff like that.
And inside the wheel arches.
Yes.
So all we have to do is clean, tape up, and then we can give some stone chip.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Okay guys, as you can see I just bent that straight, and the paint came off, and I saw that there's some rust, so I just quickly have to clean that. And then also over here where there was previously stone chip, you can see that it actually came off a bit, so I'm just going to quickly fix that before I give our stone chip, because the silver is going to go over the stone chip, and I do want it to look nice and straight, not like this. Always our work is always good, so we have to fix it this side and other side, because this side as well I bent the lip straight and the paint also came off, as you can see, and I don't know there, but So after we give some stone chip, I'm not sure if we're going to give this, I think we're going to leave the stone chip to dry, and then we'll move on to the tailgate and the fenders and all that, and also the rim. We still have to sand the mags
And fix them.
One of them look pretty bad, as you know. So, but anyways, guys, let's just clean everything, tape it up, and get some stone chip on it.
Okay guys, we are done with the
Tape up. Yeah, so we taped everything up. So everything is, I don't think there's any place for the stone chip to get through on the body. So now we can get the stone chip gun and the stone chip and give it some stone chip.
Cool.
And we are done, guys.
We are done.
So guys, now we've got all the stone chip on there. We still have to do the, how can I say, the corner pieces of the fenders, but I will do that before we paint them. And of course you just clean the gun with some water, so it's super easy. But anyways, before we continue, we have to remove the tape so that the stone chip doesn't dry, and it's going to leave some nasty lines before it's dry. So we have to remove it while it's wet. So let's first remove the tar. So guys, the stone chip came out pretty nice. I took the tape line off before the stone chip completely dried, so it doesn't make like paint chips on the stone chip. So it just came out super nice. So all that's left to do is, I think, the brake calipers. The guy also wants it silver, so we have to clean the brake calipers, and then we have to paint them silver with the with the bakkie, yes. But I'm also gonna do the paint work in a few days. I'll paint the body the one day, like the bakkie's
The
body.
outside, basically.
Yes, and then the other day I'll paint the doors with the bonnet and the tailgate and stuff like that. So, but I think that's gonna be it for this video. So that's gonna be a wrap for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't yet. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Cheers!